Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the code to the meat room on Dress Room Press. So if you go here to this area, if you just walk in here, there is like a code you need to enter. So the code is 111123. Press enter and it just shows, have you ever tried climbing inside the Dress Room Press logo in the lobby? So it doesn't actually open anything, it just shows that there is a hidden room in the lobby. Let me just go to the lobby real quick here. Hold on. So I actually went there like yesterday, even without the code. But again, if you want the code, it's 111123. So here, if you go up here, so climb onto this pot and then to this other pot. Okay, so just jump a lot. Okay, it's easier when I'm not talking while I'm doing this. Bruh. Oh my gosh. Wait, why can't I do it yesterday, but now I can't do it? Hold on. Oh, here we go. So climb up this pot and you know there's this Dress Room Press logo. You're just going to go in it, and as you can see, there is a secret room with a missing Lana Disney poster. And there's like a fireplace here. There's a cracked door. You can't open it yet. I think this is just a sneak peek on the quest that got delayed. But that's pretty much it, really. That's just, I don't know, the code to the meat room is just a hint. It doesn't actually open anything. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.